Hey everybody, this is Chris Sussman, otherwise known as the Barbecue Buddha. And I'm here in my backyard with my big green eggs, and I'm gonna show you how I set up my big green egg for indirect cooking. We're gonna set this up for low and slow, and I want you all to see how I do it. So come on along. First thing I do is I open up the top vent right here. So when I have the top vent open, and I open up the bottom vent down here. Open up the lid. I'm gonna take out my expander, and it has the convector inside. That's what's gonna set up for indirect cooking. Fire bowl is already set up and ready to go. I'm just gonna add some new lump charcoal to it and make sure that we've got enough to get through this long cook. I'm gonna use the big green egg lump charcoal to fill up my fire bowl. Fire bowl is now nice and full. I'm gonna use post oak chunks for this. It's gonna give you that traditional Texas barbecue flavor. Place one right here in the middle, and then two on the outside. So now we've got the big green egg, extra large, set up with lump charcoal and a couple of hunks of post oak wood for this smoking session we have ahead of us. And now I'm gonna light the big green egg with the brand new big green egg igniter. We're gonna put this right in the lump charcoal and get it lit up. Now that we've got a little piece of the lump charcoal lit, we're gonna use the igniter in order to get that flame up higher with the blower function. So come on and take a look. Now that we have that little patch of coals lit and the fire is steady, we're gonna use the Egg Genius to be able to control the pit temperature and get it up to 250, which is exactly where we want it for this low and slow cook. So come on and watch me set up the Egg Genius and get this environment perfect for a low and slow cook on the big green egg. First thing you do is you put the little insert into the bottom vent. That way the Egg Genius will just slip inside. Now that the Egg Genius is connected to the bottom vent, I'm gonna place back in the expander with the convector, and this is gonna keep it indirect for that indirect grilling environment. We're gonna take our pit temp probe and put that on the grate towards the back. Make sure to close your top vent 9/10 of the way, and you'll see in about 10 minutes you'll be dialed in right at 250. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. I just set up the big green egg for a low and slow cook. We're gonna dial in right at 250 with that Egg Genius, and we're set to go. If you have any questions or wanna know more, please reach out to me. You know how to find me. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.